In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track lost deals in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you want a quick, reliable way to understand how many opportunities are slipping through the cracks, Pipedrive's Insights area makes it simple. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to Insights on the left-hand sidebar. This is your analytics workspace, where you can build reports that summarize what's happening in your pipeline without digging through individual deals. Once you're in Insights, look to the top left and click Create, then choose Report. This opens a fresh report canvas so you can define exactly what you want to measure. Think of this as telling Pipedrive what data to analyze and how to present it. Next, set the report entity to Deals. You're focusing on deals rather than activities or organizations because you want a count of lost opportunities. Then, set the report type to Performance. The performance report is ideal for summarizing outcomes like counts and totals, making it perfect for a clean lost deals snapshot. By default, the builder may show a chart, but for a quick top-line number, change the chart type to Scorecard. The Scorecard view strips away extra visuals and gives you a single, prominent figure, great for quick check-ins or sharing a headline result with your team. Now define what you're counting. Set the measure to number of deals. This tells Pipedrive to return a simple count rather than values like revenue. With that in place, move to the filter area at the top of the screen and add a new filter so that deals whose status is lost are included. Choose the deal status field, set it to Ye Is, and pick Lost. This narrows the report to exactly what you care about. The scorecard will update to display the total number of lost deals based on your current view and date range. This single number is often all you need for a quick health check, a weekly team sync, or to monitor whether recent process changes are reducing losses over time. If your layout or labels vary slightly, just make sure you've selected Deals as the entity, Performance as the report type, Scorecard as the visualization, Number of deals as the measure, and the lost status in your filters. And there you go. Your lost deals are now tracked in a clean, shareable scorecard. That's all.